Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post multiple haul videos, vlogs, DIYs, all that. So if you like all that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button on there because you don't want to miss my videos. And yeah, so today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. This was from last week, like the end of the week. I went to multiple different stores. So this is a bunch of like a little bit of everything. So yeah, nothing's broken into categories, so we're just gonna show everything. So definitely subscribe and let's get into the video. So the first thing I did was I got another set of the Good Vibes aesthetic wall collage kit, and you get 30, and then I got the Jet Set one. So like I said, these are perfect. I got sets because I'm gonna scrapbook with them, and then I'm gonna hang them in picture frames on my wall. So I got these two for that. So, like, then I'm so excited. So this is the glow in the dark tumbler. This was $150, but I was like, I'm gonna splurge on this just because it's glow in the dark. And yeah, that one was worth $150. The other ones I already have, but this glow in the dark one, I just had to have it, so we got her. Then we did pick up some of the new hand sanitizers. So these are in the little sprayer. I like this one. These sprayers better actually. So we got Sugar Cookie. We got the, what is this? Ginger Citrus, which I didn't think I'd like, but I love this scent. So we got that. And then, of course, the pumpkin. So, yeah. Now I'm on the hunt for the new Be Pure, like the other ones. There's new collections of that, so I'm on the hunt for those. But for now, we got these. So, not mad about that. Oh, also, I did get this bin. It was $1.25. It's normally $5, but they are on clearance. So I did pick up one of those, and that's what I'm putting everything in right now. Then, this is new. This is the Freeman 2-pack Sleepy Time Whipped Eye Mask for tired and puffy eyes. Dermatologist tested, and you just leave this on overnight. Like, you don't have to rinse it. So, yeah, the fact you get a 2-pack in here is pretty good. So we got that, and Freeman's, as we know, is a name brand, so yes. Then we're just gonna pick up bags and go through them. Okay, so I got these hotel keychains sorted because I'm gonna do DIYs with these. There's a red sticker, but they were $1.25 when I bought them, so. Then we have a new spa headband. I don't know if it's new, but this one's new to me. This little, purple, pink, and white one. So we got her. Then we got the Invisibobble hair ties. I'm obsessed with these. This is the Power. The strong grip hair ring. Invisibobble. Worldwide top seller. And this is in brown, and that's my hair color, so I was like, yes. So I got her. Then, okay, these are new. Jonah, or Joan, I'm assuming. Essential Endless Lip Color. Endless Long Wear Lip Color. And this is in Chit Chat. How cute is this? First off, packaging is definitely giving off like high-end vibes. I'll definitely do, if you guys want like a separate video on swatching like all the new Dollar Tree makeup. So we got this one. Then we got this one, and this is in Flirting. So we got this one. Then this one, and this is in Tasty. Names are 10 out of 10, so we got her. Then by Even New York, we got some matte lipsticks, and this is in CMO Fetish number 14. So it's like this purpley pink color, so we got her. Then by that Jonah brand, this is a airtight lipstick, airlight lipstick, and this is in Fireworks. How pretty is this color though? So we got her. Then This is an oldie but a goodie, and I don't want to blind you guys. But this is the Heritage makeup mirror that folds up. This is fantastic. These came out forever ago, and I love them, so I just got my hands on that. Then, next bag. Okay, we got the Invisible Traceless hair ties, and these are in black. Then we got the thick and curly hair in extra hold ones, and these are just clear. I have extra thick hair. I don't know if it looks like it, but I do. So these should hopefully work for me. Then we got the Traceless Original, this set. And then I got another set of these because these are going in my vacation bag. And then these are the Strong Grip Power ones in black. Then I did pick up the other colors in these hotel tags. Again, I'm doing a DIY. I'll do a whole video on it when I do it. So I got these little hotel keyring sets. And then I got the green chalk marker to go with that because I don't know if they're in this, but I got the chalk little name tags. I'm going to put them on my key rings. I have a whole idea. So we got that. And then I got just another set of these ones to go with that. Then, oh yeah, and then I got the pastel pretty little collage kit again for DIY. Oh, and then these Invisible Elegant Style hair ties. I'm obsessed with this one. Got her. Then, super random, but I got this pencil holder. It's supposed to like be able to go on your fridge and suction to wherever. And actually, this is going to go in my fridge because I'm going to put like the pencils, some kitchen stuff in it. So I thought this was pretty neat. I was like, you know what? Why not? So we got that. Super random. Then, these are new. These are Love Ellie Mesh Beauty Bags. 2-piece set. A bag for every day, event, and occasion. So you get a 2-pack. And I got this one. Came with the purple one and the green one. So super cute. So we got that one. And then the second one is this set. And let's just take it out of here. If we can. Yeah, okay. And this is just the orange and blue colors. And these are actually so cute. Like this one is this one, and then this one has like a little heart. But super cute. So, super cute. How many times am I going to say that? I'll shut up. Okay, then we have, I got these. These are the LED votive candles. I have the big versions of these. I don't know if they're in the background or not, but I wanted the small ones just because I have an idea for it. So, got that. Then, by that same Jonah brand, we have another airlight lipstick, and this is in Cloud 9. Super cute. So we have her. Yeah, I'm definitely going to do a whole video on swatching all these. Then we have another Jonah lipstick in Horizon. Super cute. Then we have some more of the Ebine New York 24-hour matte lipsticks. And this one is in Dash. How cute is that? So that's in Dash. Then Vanity. This is Vanity. How pretty is that? Vanity. And then the last one is in Purple Kisses. And it's a purple one. So yeah, I'm definitely going to do a whole video swatching all this because there's a lot. Then, by that Jonah brand, Wand Me Up Concealer. Yes, please. And this is in Honey. Color ranges were kind of weird, so I was like, this is the lightest one. We're going to get her. So we got that. Super fun. Then, last one. So, I needed another one of those lipstick holders that have been out for forever, but I needed another one, so I just got this flowery one. Then I got another set of the brown Invisibobble hair ties, because like I said, brown hair, I love these. Then, for a birthday gift, I got the Soft Liquid Lip and Cheek in Dragon Fruit. Her. Yeah, I'm making a birthday gift, so I had to get some of this stuff. So, Optimus Glow Ocean Dew. Got that. Then we got the fruit extract lip glaze and grape. This one is my favorite, so I'm so excited to give it in a gift. So we got her. Then I got the more Invisibobbles, and these are going in this little gift. So, yeah. This is like my gift bag. Then I got the Clean Color Plumping Lip Gloss. I'm obsessed with this, so I know the person I'm giving this gift to will like it. So, got that. Then, I'm kind of doing like a color mini theme in this gift. We got 2 Squishmallow hand sanitizers, the green and the purple. But that is it for that haul. I found a good amount of stuff in that haul, and I'm happy with it. And in my next haul that I'm about to start filming right after I edit this, I found a lot of new stuff, which I'm pumped for. But thank you guys for watching. Definitely don't forget to subscribe, share the channel, and comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, I should be on the hunt for, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.